Guys, so we just got to our campground. We are staying at Sunset Campground in Sequoia National Park, Kings Canyon National Park. Take a look at our site. So this is campground 55, and then we're currently 56, but it's looking a little small. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to set up my tent. Is there space over here?
That's nice over here.
Oh.
There's still a lot of space on
Oh yeah, perfect. This is good.
Yeah.
And on the rocks too. This would be good right here.
Yeah.
I mean, even though this site looks pretty small, it's actually really spacious behind all these rocks. I guess you kind of have like a privacy curtain here. And then this is our view. Yeah, so we just got here. It's currently 7:04. We were projected to be here at 6:30, but I mean, throughout all the stops that we made, we stopped for gas. I got a quick Subway lunch, so yeah, so watch us unload and then we're gonna get everything set up. Sheesh, got this all set up. MTV Cribs. You guys seen this tent so many times, but this is the REI Skyward 6-person or 4-person tent. I completely forget. Let's see. 4-person, but it's super spacious for a 4-person. Take a look. So as soon as we wake up, this is our view. So nice out here. The smell of the pine trees, the sequoia, the wood burning, everything just smells so good. It's pretty dark right now, but we pretty much set up. Let me show you a quick tour. We got these 2 chairs right there. We have this power bank here, which is currently connected to the Starlink, but it's not powered on. Right now we're just charging this skylight here. Here we have this table. I set up the Blackstone. Here we have the Blackstone. That's all set up. Over here we just got some extra tools, charcoal, solar panel. And a new addition to the video is this new Yeti M20 backpack. So right now I probably put in like 20 cans and a good amount of ice. We got the fire started with some acorns. That's all I could find in this campground. There wasn't a lot of brush or, you know, wood laying on the ground. So did that, but you see that? Ahorita para poner el charge. Currently 9:56 and it's 80 degrees. That's what it says. It feels a little bit hotter, but the sun is beaming down. Right now we're gonna go to a trail. I think it's called Ella Falls Trail. It's around 5 miles. It's gonna take us maybe 2.5 hours, maybe closer to 3. Hopefully we can see a waterfall. We pretty much ate breakfast, as you saw. We cooked some eggs and hash brown. Yeah, right now I have the power bank charging with the solar panel. This is the 120 watt solar panel. So yeah, right now we're gonna hit up a trail and we'll see you there. We just got to this little tiny waterfall. started rain right now. I don't know where we just heard thunder and then it started raining. Bro, it really started to pick up. The messed up part is that we didn't even put the rain fly because it was absolute perfect weather. We're just going through the campgrounds. Hopefully we can find ours. Yeah, we just got back to the campsite. We need to put up the rain fly. I did not expect this to happen.
Which rock? This one?
No, the other one. So this is our campground after picking up everything. So this is campground 56, if you guys are wondering. This is located in Sunset Campground in Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Park. So right now we just packed up. We're probably just gonna walk around this campground to see what other campsites are kind of big enough for more people. Definitely I am coming back with more people, friends and family. It's just a beautiful campground. So right now we're at a viewpoint. We're heading to Hume Lake. We're probably going to spend the rest of the day there. It's currently pretty much 1 o'clock, so we're going to spend the rest of the day there until probably sunset and then head home. We are on our way home. We just got done with Hume Lake. We were probably in the lake for like 3 or 4 hours, would you say?
Yeah.
Really great time. Cracked some beers open, just chilling in the water. Great weather. But as you can see, we're heading home because of... Yeah, so that doesn't look good. We're heading home. We're probably going to stop to get something to eat. I don't know where, but But yeah, we're heading home because we heard some thunderstorm coming in, and yesterday we learned. So we're definitely not staying. We're heading out right now.